So today we're going to simulate MAC address flooding, and what this does is an attacker floods the MAC address table of a switch. So we're going to go into Kali Linux, and we're going to use the macoff-i command through the interface. And what this does is it sends spoofed MAC addresses to the switch. Now if we go into the switch, we can check the number of addresses in the MAC address table, and we can see that we've taken up 8,000 addresses. Now, if we look at the dynamic addresses that are learned by the switch, we can see that they're all coming from a very suspicious port gigabit 03. And so, in order to mitigate this, we will go into that port gigabit 03. And what we do is that we're going to set it as an access port so we can set port security. We enable port security, and we set it to a maximum of 1 MAC address learned. And then we set it to violation restrict so that once the port has a security violation, it will not shut down and it will only send a notification. Now if we go back into Kali Linux and we perform the same attack, we can keep it running and send the MAC addresses to the switch, and we can see all these security violations showing up. We can check our MAC address table again to see if it's being filled this time after we set the security. And as you can see, there are over 8,000 addresses available and only one new one was learned, just like the maximum we set.